So why keep up with your maintenance, right? Great question. And this is, I know this is going to sound and come off like very cliche, but it's reality, and it's the best analogy that I can use, right? So if you take your car, for example, right, you get the oil changed every, couple thousand miles. You get the oil changed. You get your tires checked and you rotated and things like that. And your car functions. If you do that, your car functions the way it should. And if you continue to do that over the years, nowadays you can take a car and you can get 300,000 miles out of it. So the same concept goes with our body, right? If we continue to maintain our bodies through even the things, if we add those things in the past that we talked about, good movement, supplementation, body work, exercise. If we continue to do those things and maintain our body, then our overall quality of life is just going to be optimized, if you will. Because we all know that if you stop doing those things, and very quickly you'll start to feel those aches and pains come back on. You can't do the things and get up and down stairs the way that you could before. You can't roll around with your kids. So, the quality of life quickly starts to drift. A lot of times those things take energy, effort. They don't feel good. It doesn't feel good to stretch. I mean, who out there can actually raise their hand and say, I genuinely enjoy stretching? I mean, there's very few people that would actually raise their hand. It's not fun, and if you're doing it the right way, it kind of hurts a little bit, but the benefits are exponential, just like anything else. If you ask me, I'd prefer to eat, if there wasn't any health consequences, I'd probably eat a burger, nice juicy cheeseburger 3 days or 3 times a day. But I know that that's not really optimal for me. So everything that takes, or that is designed to help our bodies function better, it takes energy, effort, work. So those are the things that make maintenance important, and why it's important to keep up with them. Overall quality of life, if you balance your mind, you balance your body, you balance your life. Talk to you soon.